Bitcoin, we start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if you refer to my last analysis, when the price exactly was when this move here, right? Before we see the next drop, if we move to lower time frame, we discuss about the divergence. I mentioned based on daily chart, we have a divergence. And even if we move to forward chart, I showed that we have a divergence. That's why, I mean, if anyone wants to look for buy, they need to be quite careful. And this is what we get, all right? That's why I mentioned we are not looking for this is what we get. That's why I mentioned we are not looking for the reversal. We're looking for continuation, but because of the divergence, maybe we get the correction. Okay. The price almost, we see the breakout of this one, but because of this drop, still we consider we are within this correction. That's why if the price continues a corrective and following by divergence, which we need to be quite careful. Because if the price couldn't drop, and we see the continuation, that's means if the price we didn't have this drop, any flag base above this one, we could take the trade. By the way, still we're looking for continuation. It depends on how the market can move, and still we are within the uptrend. And if we move to higher time frame, based on monthly, we have nothing to discuss. That's why we move to lower time frame. We move to weekly chart. Based on weekly, we mentioned after the 36, we're looking for the 32. But at this point, we have to see the breakout of the 38 and 39. This is the zone we are looking to see the breakout. Because if the price could break 38 and 39, this is the zone, then we can look for 42. As long as the price is below 38, any trade based on lower time frame will be a short-term trade. And based on weekly, still we have a divergence, and based on MACD and even the second indicator. But as I mentioned, we are not looking for the reversal, but we get the deeper correction. Okay, but at this point I don't see any trade setup. And if I move to lower time frame daily chart, similar explanation, and still we have a divergence. But because of when the price was within here, within this candle, we could consider this one as the divergence. But at this point, as long as the price haven't break the previous top, which is somewhere around 38, we don't need to, I mean, we cannot consider as a divergence because of the changes. All right. It depends how it moved. At this point, I'm looking to see whether the price can break 38 following by 39 or not. How we can look for trade at this point based on daily chart, I don't see any trade setup. Mostly we have to look for the trade based on lower time frame as a flag, and even based on forward chart. That's why if the price continues as a corrective, any trade will be a short term based on lower time frame. We need to be really careful, because if the price couldn't break the 38 following by 39, mostly we can look for the deeper correction. And as I mentioned, I don't see any trade setup. And if I move to 1 hour chart, similar explanation. All right, if anyone get the trade from here, so from this correction right now, they should know how to adjust it. If this one turned to flag, maybe we can, based on 15 minutes, we can put our entry above the top. It's not really good trade setup. I'm not interested, but it's a short term. It depends on the strategy the traders are using. All right, it depends how high it can, how fast it can go. But at this point, as long as the price is below 38, for me, any opportunity for buy, I consider as a short term. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.